Hi, my name is Michaela Teschke from Group 49 with Crystal Stuva. We are going to tell you about TLR9.
Toll-like receptor 9 is a protein that is in certain human cells and is involved in recognizing viruses and bacteria. The cells in our body that contain TLR9 are known as basophils, eosinophils, B cells, which are just special white blood cells, and plasmacytoid dendritic cells, which are special innate immune cells that communicate with other cells of the immune system. When a virus or bacteria enters the body and is taken up by any of these cell types, TLR9 recognizes the molecular pattern of the viral and/or bacterial DNA that contains unmethylated CpG. Basically, TLR9 is like a smoke alarm in a home that senses when there is too much smoke, which is the unmethylated DNA, to be considered safe. CpG DNA refers to the dinucleotide sequence of cytosine, phosphate, and guanine. In methylated DNA, there is a methyl group attached to the cytosine, which is what human DNA consists of. Bacterial and viral genomes do not have this special methyl group attached, and because of this, our body's immune system is able to identify the intruders without this methyl group attached to its DNA.
You can think of this methyl group as a top secret security badge that needs to be scanned by TLR9 in order to have access to the rooms that are top secret in the CIA or in your body's cells. This methyl badge is worn on DNA of everything that should be entering the human cells. TLR9 resides in the membrane of endosomes, or the top secret security room of the CIA, and the DNA arrives at these endosomes have to show their methyl ID badge. If TLR9 scans the DNA of a virus or bacteria when the methyl badge does not exist, it identifies it and holds the intruder DNA until help arrives. When this happens, TLR9 recruits help of important emergency security personnel or response proteins in order to send the message that there is a foreign invader present. This process is a domino-like chain of command that must be followed in order to send the message that there is an intruder to the immune system. TLR9 first recruits MYD88, which is a response protein that will stick to TLR9 in the intruding DNA. The response team that responds is IRAK4 and IRAK1, and they stick to MYD88 and the invading DNA attached to TLR. And TRAF response protein guards are called in to help, and when they arrive, they send a message to their command officer, IRF7, which is responsible for sending the message of a foreign invasion to security office to man the DNA in the nucleus of the cell. When this happens, the security breach protocols are followed by the command center, which orders the removal of the foreign DNA by the immune system cells.